Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Kong now. Pick OSS for simplicity or Enterprise for plugins and support. Once done, provision a PostgreSQL database and note the connection string and user credentials so Kong can bootstrap. Make sure to open proxy ports 8000 and 8443 and the admin API on 8001. These are the control and traffic paths. Run Kong migrations bootstrap and then Kong start. This gets Kong running and ready to accept configuration via the admin API immediately. You now register your first service. Use the admin API to post a service with the upstream URL and timeout settings because Kong decouples routing from upstreams. Next, attach a route to that service specifying host or path matchers so Kong knows when to forward traffic. Once attached, add consumers or credentials if authentication is needed. Then test with curl through port 8000 or 8443 to confirm routing, checking status codes and forwarded headers to verify correct proxy behavior. You finish by applying plugins where required. Enable rate limiting or authentication at the service or route level so policies are enforced close to the edge. Also register upstream targets with health checks and waits to manage failover and load distribution. Once configured, monitor Kong's health and metrics to confirm traffic patterns. If something breaks, check Kong logs, validate admin API replies, confirm migrations ran, and ensure ports are bound. Often a misconfigured DB or port conflict is the single cause. Fix that and restart Kong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.